going to be giving you some recommendations for the upcoming September the 23rd sessions for trading in the foreign exchange market. And before we give you those recommendations about why we're taking the stance that we are tonight, we just wanted you to understand that this is just one trade station in the office, and this is the other. And the one that you just saw sits over here to the left. So we have a pretty good view of the market. As you can see, we have over 30 monitors running in at this time, and we have a pretty good overview of the market. That said, that helps us come to the conclusion that we have right now. Now, we've had the Asian markets as they've been closed the last 2 days, and we've really just had some, really choppy and spiky price action since since London closed down the New York market, and we have some highs and lows. And they generate quite a big stop here, 70 pip stops, 80 pip stops within an intraday very small time frame chart. So basically what we're going to be looking to do across the different pairs, the euro dollar, the euro yen, the dollar yen, the pound dollar, the Swiss dollar, the dollar CAD, across the board, we're going to wait for a couple hours of London to pass before we start looking at the markets hard again to see whether we're at any kind of really good buy or sell scenarios. And again, it's because we've had this thin market action with the Asian market, and then we had, thin because there was a Japanese bank holiday today, and we've had some really big spikes across the pairs, and that's why we showed you the monitors. We're looking at all the pairs, and there were just some crazy price action that happened a little bit later, and so that means that for us, there's not a lot of recommendations we can make at this time this far in advance, or trades that we could see potentially setting up. So we're going to let London digest what's happened over the end of New York, the latter part of New York, and through what would be the Asian session. And then about London, mid-London, a little bit before their lunchtime, we're going to look at the market again, and then we'll maybe post some trades that we may see setting up on Twitter. So we hope that you respect the fact that the view that we do have the market, number one, as well as number two, it's just as important to know when to trade as when to sit aside and your reasons for standing aside, because that's a good trading decision as well. And we hope you respect the decision and the information we've just given you here for the upcoming September the 23rd session.